As you can see, I can move the shackle, but I can't open it since there is a small wooden part not letting me do it. Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video you will find how to solve security lock puzzle. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10, and the object is to open the lock. As you can see, I can move the shackle, but I can't open it since there is a small wooden part not letting me do it. And there is a key included. You can use it to move all these small parts inside. There are two kinds of parts. One of them is a small square part, and the second kind of parts is this part which looks like two square parts together. And to be able to open the lock, we have to move one of these small parts down here so that the lock can be opened. First, move these two parts to the left. Now move all one square parts to the left also, and move this part down. Sometimes it's easier to just tilt the puzzle to move the parts. So next you have to move this one square parts up like this. Next, what you have to do is to move these two parts back and this part down. Now you have to move this horizontal part to the left and move one square to the left as well. Now we can move this one part and this two-piece part up and this small part to the right. And next what you can do is to move this two-piece part down and this small square in the middle down as well. Now move this horizontal part to the right. So now move this part up. You can move this part to the left, and you can move this one square here as well. So next we have to change places of these two parts. To do it, we have to move all the parts again. Move this one piece to the left, this goes down as well, this goes here. I can move this one square up, and when I did it, I will be able to move this part to the left and what we can to the right. And what we can do now, we can move this small square down here, this small square up. Now we can move this part up and this small square to the right. In this case, when you open the shackle, you will be able to move one small square to the left. Now we can move it down, move this two-piece part down, and this small square you have to put in this place in a puzzle. And that's when you can open the lock. If you like security lock puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles created by Siebenstein Spiele, go to puzzlemaster.ca.